Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create Shopify partner account. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to go to the Shopify Partners website. So visit the Shopify Partners website, which is the shopify.com/partners. Now click on Get Started. On the Shopify Partners homepage, click on the Get Started button. Now just go ahead and sign up or log in. So if you don't have Shopify account, click on the sign up link and complete the registration process by providing your email address, password, and other required information. If you already have a Shopify account, click on the login link and enter your credentials. Now complete the partner application. After signing up or logging in, you will be directed to the Shopify Partner dashboard. Complete the application form by providing information about yourself and your business, including your name, company name if applicable, website, and any relevant experience or expertise. Now review and accept the partner terms. Read through the partner program agreement and make sure you understand and agree to the terms. Check the box to indicate your acceptance. Submit your application. So click on the Submit Application button to send your partner application to Shopify for review. Now just go ahead and wait for approval. So Shopify will review your application, and if everything is in order, your partner account will be approved. You will receive an email notification once your application is processed. Now access the partner dashboard. Once your account is approved, you can access the Shopify partner dashboard where you can explore resources, access development tools, and find opportunities to collaborate with Shopify merchants. So by creating a Shopify partner account, you gain access to various resources, tools, and benefits to help you build, manage, and market Shopify stores for clients or for your own business. You can also earn revenue through referral programs and app development within the Shopify ecosystem. So note that specific steps and interface may vary slightly over time as Shopify updates its platform. So it is always a good idea to refer to the Shopify Partners website or documentation for the most up-to-date instructions. Okay? And that is how you create Shopify Partner account. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.